So, what did you see? That if one biscuit falls, all the biscuits in that particular queue or the row are also falling. And this is called the domino effect. So, to set a domino effect, there must be a trigger that will initiate the change in the behavior of any object or a human or anybody. Now, after the trigger is initiated, the behavioral change sets up a strong chain reaction. I explain a bit. Suppose one person initiated a trigger to another person to do something. In turn, the first person who has been triggered initiates a reaction, a chain reaction to the next person, and next person to its next person. So this is the way the whole mass is involved. In other term, it is also called as mob psychology. Now I will explain to you why we behave like that. The reason is we all are social animals and our behavior is networked. Okay? So everybody's behavior is connected to the other person in the society, and together it forms the society. Because the behavior is networked, that sets the chain reaction. Now you may ask me that why I have taken domino effect in a very negative way. Why talking about mob psychology, for example mob lynching, then burning trams, buses and vehicles, vandalizing public property. Why I have told these examples? The reason is, if you see that each of the units of the objects of the people, individual, they are all standing, but the trigger caused them to fall. So domino effect usually is taken in a very negative direction. The business is falling, the country is going to the recession, and because one country is going to the recession, the similar countries or surrounding countries, adjacent countries, they are also going to the recession. One person is a gambler and he gambles, so his friends also start gambling, and here the thinking brain is kept aside. It's all about the emotional brain. He is doing, so I will do. Domino effect is very, very common in kids. He has a high-end motorbike, I also need it. Isn't it? It's a chain reaction that everybody should have the similar high-end motorbike or a mobile phone or a laptop. Domino effect is, that's why, taken always in a very negative direction. But I will tell you, domino can also be stopped, especially during this corona pandemic. Now, for India, we also saw this domino effect. How? We saw that we were triggered to illuminate 8 o'clock at night, right? We also witnessed that to make noise, various kinds of noise, at a certain time in a particular day. Did we ask any question to ourselves that why I am doing that? Nobody asked. But most of the people, we did that, right? So it's a chain reaction. So the behavior is changing, shifting aside the thinking brain, and that is the domino effect. So nothing is always negative. There is a positive side to it as well. So domino effect has got no exception. It has also positive sides. Now I tell you the way I conceived illumination and banging utensils or making noise. The reason is during the primitive age, when the enemies invade the territories, people used to beat the drums to alert the community that something ominous has arrived, so be careful. Or lighting the lamps. That happened in ancient times. So I conceived this illumination and this noise is that Corona has arrived in our country, and that is an announcement across the nation so that the whole nation is aware of and follow the norms so that the community transmission doesn't happen. So this is the positive side of domino effect. Now the positive domino effect is something you spread the awareness. Each and every opportunity we all spread the awareness and make people behave responsibly. Wearing mask, washing hands and sanitizing hands, maintaining social distancing of at least 1 meter. So these are the norms that can also create a very positive domino effect in the society, and I'm very sure not many people will get infected as it is happening now. And a lot of our elderly, our beloved parents, relatives and elderly friends, they can survive more. They can live a quality life, right? So I take leave now, and stay healthy and stay safe. I will come back to you with lot of interesting videos. So stay tuned to my channel. Take care. Bye.